Hey guys, welcome to today's Masterclass. My name is Nathan Short, if you've never danced with me before. And today I'm coming at you from Sydney in Australia. Today's theme is all the feels. So we're going to be using a lot of soft, gentle music in this one. And what makes it unique is that it uses a 3-4 timing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, which is an extra challenge for you on the dance floor. Let's do it.
Take the next step in brilliant color. Attract more on the dance floor. Or dance smarter with Colorform. Whoever you are, there's a program just for you. Support this channel. Head to movewithcolor.com to get started today.
Here we go. Straight away, you'll start to feel yourself wanting to just sway. You may also feel like you want to race the music, but I want you to pull back and really slow down. So the first part that's moving is your hips, and then your chest is kind of draping behind. Your head is almost the last thing on the journey. Beautiful. Just moving in your own way here. Now check my feet. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it soft, keep it small. And I find that the best thing to do here is to turn the chest back the way you came, and that lets your weight just collapse really naturally. Lovely. We're going to need this rhythm the whole class. Holds here. Open out. Expand. And sing to yourself. Like you're in a Taylor Swift music video. Field of flowers. Soft focus. All right. That is your first move, a big extension with a travel. So we're going to take the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 across the floor. Ready? I'll come with you. 1, 2, 3. Driving the right knee to the wall. 1, 2, 3. Drive the right knee. Now as you drive the right knee, drape the shoulders back. Like lead with the chest. 1, 2, 3. Push. And then finish that turn over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, push, and finish the turn. Follow your momentum. Make sure your eyes are purposefully looking somewhere to find your balance. Hold here, hold here. Make sure you're not looking everywhere, yeah? Spotting the turn. Let's do it to the chorus. Big stretch. Good. Now, you will be tempted to finish this turn quickly, but you've got to hold it. All right, you've got to hold it. Again. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. Good. All right. I'll stay on your legs. Okay. So everyone, put your right leg face the wall. You're going to step right, left, right, and then drop your left foot behind you. Let's try it together. Ready? Right leg steps. Right, left, right, left. It's actually quite a tricky move. All right. So it's right. Left, turn the hips and drop, especially at the last minute getting that hip turn, yeah? Let's try from the top. Ready? Different song now. 1, 2, lift, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, drop. The trick is to push up onto the balls of the feet so you have somewhere to drop from. Up on the balls of the feet and up on the balls of the feet so you can fall. You have to get this motion for the lunge to feel comfortable, yeah? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, lifts. Rise, 2, 3, fall. And as you fall, just let the arms collapse over the side. Again. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, fall. Beautiful. Hit the accents in this song. It's got a nice drum rhythm. Ready? Boom. Lift. 1, 2, 3, throw. Jump. Your next move. We're going to jump out of it. Let's stay with that move for a second. So we're jumping and we're swinging our right leg. Ready? Jump and swing. Boom. Now as you swing it, I'm going to face you for a bit. As you swing your right leg, I want you to throw your arms over the top, just a circle. Like there's a piece of string from your hands to your foot. Follow it around your body. Good. Open and use the ribs. Try to point the toe. Give it a nice line. Lovely. And again, adding on. Sweep, open, open, and fall. Beautiful. Okay, let's try adding this all together. Like I said, it's quite a gentle routine, a little bit confusing. timing alone is quite tricky. Ready? We travel. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, drop. Jump. Open, open, down. Beautiful. All right, let's try it again. Ready? All together. 1, 2, 3. Use the drums. 1, 2, 3. Throw. Circle. Open, open, hug. And then you're going to expand open, taking the right leg back, opening out. Like you're holding the weight of the world. Epic statue. Again, from the top, go. 1, 2. Turn 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Drop and swing 2, 3. Open, open, drop. Step back strong and contract. Good. Now it doesn't matter if you change legs on that one. It doesn't matter because we come back to neutral anyway for the next move. This is a very pretty song. You ready? Back to that 1, 2, 3 on the spot. Hold it. Yes, you're back in that Taylor Swift music video. I want you to try and step so you hardly make a sound. Control. Control. It's got a wedding day vibe to it, this song. Don't know why. Beautiful. All right, now here's our last little combo. Check it out. We lift. Up 2, 3, down 2, 3, and we're going to turn over our left side. Up 2, down. Now notice how I throw my arms a little different. Watch your George. Open, and I throw them to the right. I'll come with you. Open, throw, and then back turn. Yes, use the beautiful momentum in the words. I have loved you. Open 2, 3, fall 2, 3, turn. Open 2, 3, fall 2, 3. You really got to throw those arms next to the body so they have the momentum for the turn, yeah? Last move. Leap to the right. And then push into the left. That's our lovely last move. Let's try it together. Ready? Big leap. Hold. And then push. Again, so one of them is kind of jazzy and then suddenly very earthy. Bend and lean the weight of the body. Jazzy. Push, and your last move, take the left foot behind, and just stand like an eagle perched in the tree, and you just feel strong, and you're just waiting. Let's try the whole thing from the top, yeah? I'm with you. Here we go, push. Big step, turn. Big twist. Open, open, drop, and what? Oh, a big leap, big drop. The leap and the drop, the leap and the push. Yeah? Don't forget where it comes in. We have the 1, 2, 3, drop, 2, 3, over 2, 3, hold, and then leap, push. Yeah? Sorry, we've still got one song left. Let's rehearse it a few times. Ready? And again, lift off. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, drop. All right, we've got this part. Open, open, contract, expand, and then open, throw, turn. Final move, leap, push, eagle. We'll call it eagle. Strong pose. All right, that's it. Now, it was made for this final song. Possibly one of the most passionately emotional songs out there. Iris, all right? Get into the drama of the vocals and listen to some of the lyrical connections we've built into the routine. You ready? Here we go. Lift, 2, 3. Keep it nice and soft. Turn to me. Open the world and then 1, 2, 3. Down. Turn 2, 3. And leap, push, eagle. Let's do it to the chorus. Here we go. Lift. 1, 2, 3. Drop. Come to me. They'd understand. Feeling it, yeah? Open 2, 3. Down 2, 3. Turn. And leap. Push. Hold. Nice. Now we're having enough trouble in here as it is. I'll stay on your leg. How about that? Ready? Off the right leg. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, drop. Turn in. Boom, boom. Open. and expand, 2, 3, down, turn, everyone's favorite line, bleed just to know you're alive. Let's do it with power, lift, turning nice and strong. Remember, you're not in a hurry, you're not in a hurry. They'd understand. Connecting lyrically, big leap. I just want you to know who I am. Yes. All right, guys. It's fun. This is a confusing routine. It is tricky. It's also hard because I'm mirroring you and then joining your leg. Good chance to restart the video now if you need to, but we've got one more chorus. If you want to perform it with us right now. Are we ready? I think we're ready. Let's do it. Big stretch. Open. Use all of the room you've got here, guys. They'd understand. You can put your own flavor on it. It doesn't matter, guys. If you turn differently to me. Big leap. Push. Wait for it. Wait for it. Let's do it from the top. Push. Step. 1, 2, 3. Drop. Swing your right leg to me. They'd under. Any leg. Doesn't matter what leg goes back. Push. Throw. Turn. Leap to the right. Again, leap, leap, leap. Stay with the words. Last time, leap. Last time, leap. Hold. I want you to finish really strong with me here. Shoulders back, sit, hold, breathe. Soften the body, release that tension. Pick up the shoulders. That routine goes through quite a few different energies, all right? It gets aggressive at the end, then it comes back and softens just like we started. Awesome work, guys. Well done.
Thanks for joining me for today's masterclass. Jump into another video or head to movewithcolor.com to learn how to dance your way. I'll see you next time.